Configure. Silencia.
Hello, my name is Silvia Aguilar. I am going to share with you the user evaluation of the Windows 64 application of OnionShare, and also I am using NVDA as a screen reader. So I have opened already the application.
OnionShare.
And I will press tab I will press Control Home to go to the upper part of the screen and press tab to start navigating the application.
Auto-connect to Tor checkbox not checked. Connect to Tor button. Network settings button. Status bar. Settings button.
I am a little bit confused here because I don't know if it's the settings button or the status bar. And the status bar is not letting me know anything. I am pressing just tab again.
Connect to Tor tab control. Auto-connect to Tor. Connect to Tor button.
And I will press spacebar here in the connect to Tor. Okay, it's connecting.
OnionShare window. New tab control. New tab control.
I am in another tab now that says new. I will press tab again.
Share files button. Receive files button. Host a website button. Chat anonymously button. Status bar. Settings button.
Again, the confusion comes with the status bar settings, and then press tab again.
New tab control. Share files button.
Share files. I will press spacebar or enter here. I will press enter rather.
Receive files button. Share files button.
With the enter, it doesn't function, and if I press spacebar.
Status bar. Settings button. OnionShare window. Status bar. Settings button.
It goes to the status bar settings.
Share tab control. Plus button open a new tab. Share tab control button.
This is a button that I don't know what it is for, the purpose of the button. It doesn't read me anything if I press tab once.
Add button.
Add.
Status bar. Settings button. Add button.
Okay, I will press spacebar over add button.
Choose dialog look in colon. File name colon.
Okay, it opens a dialog box. I pressed Control for the screen reader to stop reading. To explore apparently the hard disk of my computer.
Files list. Files tree view. Level 1, Libro 1 name column 1.
I pressed Shift Tab, and this is a tree view. I will navigate it pressing down arrow.
License row 2 level 1. OnionShare.exe row 3 level 1. Onion Python 3 Python v files list.
These are the files list, and I press Shift Tab again if to see if I can choose another file. I don't.
Detail view button change to detail view mode.
No. This is the change to detail view mode.
List view button change to list view mode. Detail view button change to detail view mode.
I will press a spacebar here to see if there are any changes in the view, and then tab again to go to the tree view. I have already pressed twice tab, but I don't hear anything.
File name colon, edit Alt plus N selected license. License. This
is the only file that's chosen.
Open button enter.
Open.
Cancel button enter.
Cancel.
Combo box C : program files left paren.
And here it is where it is located. I'm just pressing tab again.
Parent directory button go to the parent directory.
Go to the parent.
List view button change to list view mode. Detail view button change to detail view mode.
Supposedly this button should be activated. Let's see if I press enter what happens.
OnionShare window. Grouping. Always open this tab when OnionShare is started. Checkbox not checked. Grouping.
Okay, it changed the screen, and then if I press
Always
tab, it's a checkbox.
This is a public OnionShare service. Left paren. Disables private key. Right paren. Checkbox not checked.
I will check this box.
Checked.
Because apparently I am going to share the license.
Show advanced settings button. Stop sharing after files have been sent. Left paren. Unchecked to allow downloading individual files. Right paren. Checkbox checked.
Okay, this is a checkbox that's telling me that
stop sharing after files.
Sharing will be stopped after files have been downloaded, and that's okay.
Start sharing button.
Start sharing, and then press spacebar.
Starting. Click to cancel.
It's starting to share. This sound indicates the progress.
Stop sharing. Copy address button. Stop sharing button. Copy address. Show QR code button. Copy address button.
Copy address. I press enter under the button.
Show QR button. Copy address button. Stop sharing button. List. Lib not selected. Stop. Show QR code button. Status bar. Settings button. Share tab control.
Okay, this is the share tab. I will press the button of stop sharing just for testing purposes, and if a specific functionality should be tested, we can do it in the process that you're going to carry on with Accessibility Lab. If you need something else.
Plus, status bar, share button. Share tab control, button. Share plus, status bar. Share plus button. Open a new tab, status bar. Set, show QR code, copy address button, stop sharing button.
Stop sharing, and then I pressed spacebar.
Start sharing.
Okay, it stopped sharing.
Button, status bar.
I am pressing tab.
Share tab control.
Share tab, and then if I press Control tab, it doesn't show me any other tab here. This is the only one, and then I press Shift tab to go to the settings button, status bar.
Plus button. Open a new tab. Status bar. Settings button.
Settings, and then I press spacebar.
Settings tab plus button. Settings tab control.
Settings tab control. I press tab, but by default the cursor should be located into the settings tab control. So I will press tab again.
General tab control.
General tab.
Check for new version grouping. Notify me when a new version is available. Checkbox checked.
Okay, this is checked. It's okay.
Check for new version button. Combo box English down.
English, and then I will start pressing Alt down arrow to explore the combo box.
Les, Español, English, Deutsch, English.
I'm pressing down arrow.
Español, Hrvatski, Svensk, Turks, Islandsk, Edina, Epsilon. Left paren, right paren. Left paren, right paren.
Okay, this is not very understandable for me, the left parent and right parent. but I suppose it's another language too. So I will press Opera again.
Epsilon, Edina, Island, Turks, Svens, Hirva, Espan, English.
And leave it in English. Press Tab. I don't hear anything.
Espan, English.
I press Enter.
Combo
then.
box English down.
Okay, and then press Tab.
Combo box auto down.
I don't know what this combo box is, the purpose of the combo box. So it should have a label here.
Light. Auto.
Auto, light.
Dark.
Dark. Okay, this
Auto.
may be the background settings or something. Press Tab.
Need help? See docs.onionshare.org.
Okay, this is a link that directs us to have the help. Let's press Tab. I don't hear anything. If it's maybe the cursor is over something.
Save button.
Press Tab and then the Saves button.
Status bar. Save button.
Save. I will press spacebar
Status
over
bar.
it.
Settings button. Share tab control.
Then I go to
Plus
the
button
status
open a
bar
new tab. Status bar.
settings.
Settings.
Pressing Shift Tab twice and then press spacebar.
Settings tab control.
This is the settings tab control. If I press Control Tab.
Share tab.
Share. I go to the Share tab.
Settings tab.
Settings tab.
Share tab. Settings tab.
Settings tab. And then
General tab control.
General tab.
Check for new version. General tab control.
Press Enter.
Check for new. Check. Combo.
And I have already explored this. So I will press just Tab to go to the save.
Combo. Need help? Save button.
Okay, and then press spacebar.
Status bar. Settings button. Button.
Here's a button that I don't know what's the purpose of it. So it should be labeled here. Also, if I press spacebar
Status
over
bar.
it,
Settings button.
it returns me again to the settings
Share tab
button
control.
and to the Share tab. Okay, then press Shift Tab.
Plus button status bar. Add button. Button. Share tab control. Button.
This button, I don't know what it is for. I press spacebar and then
Add button.
Here I press Tab once and I don't hear anything. So I don't know what's happening in this field. And if I press Tab, nothing.
Status bar.
Status bar.
Settings button.
Again.
Share tab control.
Share tab.
Button.
Again, the button that I don't know what it is for.
Add button.
And an add button, but I don't know what to add.
Status bar.
And then
settings button. Share tab control.
Bar. Press Escape.
Button. Share tab control.
And I don't. It doesn't take me out of the screen.
Share tab control
or something. Okay, if I press Alt to see if there are menus here. No menus.
Button. Add button. Status bar. Settings button. Share tab control. Button.
And I am here again in the same screen.
Share tab control. Plus button open a new tab. Status bar. Settings button.
Then
Share tab control.
I don't know what else to explore because I don't know if there are more controls here. I cannot know just by hearing and navigating with the screen reader. If I press, for example, down arrow, it doesn't take me anywhere else. So I think that for now, the user evaluation test for this application of Windows 64 is finished. Thank you very much for your attention. My name is Silvia Aguilar, a visually impaired person.
Controls de reunion. Silencia. Actualmente se ha reactivado el audio. Alt plus.